your face is depicting contingent, define detection, the well-to-do, tapestry the back, a being and a loose, falling down, taking the line, no escape, riddle queen, way, I'm not Right now, I'd like to dedicate the next song to the memory of the late, great Lemmy Kilmister. We all know the fucking history, right? We know that Anvil and Motorhead go right back to the very early beginnings. And in fact, the very first show we ever did as Anvil after we changed our name from Lips, we opened for the mighty Motorhead in Toronto where we live. Yeah. It was fucking awesome, man. The only part that was very unnerving and very fucking uncomfortable was watching Lemmy watching us. I get on stage, I go, Lemmy, what you think of Anvil? He goes, well, you guys are pretty good, but you've got too many fucking hard parts. Hard parts? Is he talking about what's in my pants or in my fucking music? I'm sure it was about the music. About a year later, they came back to Toronto and they were playing a place called the Coliseum, and this was for their support of their Iron Fist tour. And they were up on stage, and all of a sudden Lemmy gets this fucking spasm of some sort in his arm, and he stops the show. That pissed fucking Eddie Clark off so bad, he quit the band that night. The next fucking morning, my phone rings, and it's Motorhead's manager going, hello, Lips, would you like to join Motorhead? I go, what the fuck? What? He goes, yeah, we need a guitar player straight away. And I'm going, well, it's not going to be me because I'm not going to leave my best friend behind and my career in Anvil. Let's face it, Lemmy wasn't going to quit Motorhead and join Anvil, was he? Well, of course, Lemmy was a bit upset at the time, but he got over it pretty quick, and in fact, so much so, and respected the band so much, he had Anvil come out on tour with them all over the UK in 1983.
Nice! Fucking nice!
We started out on that fucking tour, and that's when I really found out what No Sleep Till Hammersmith really meant.
Faux shizzle.
We get out on that tour, and we're not even getting a fucking night off. I'm fucking dying out there. We finally get a night off in Birmingham, and I get this fucking brainstorm. I'm gonna go party with Lemmy, right?
Yeah, nice move.
I make my way up to his hotel room, and there he is sitting there with a 40-ounce bottle of vodka and a 60-ounce bottle of orange juice. And he starts mixing it, and he looks at me and goes, "Lips, this is called vodka." I start drinking this shit, and I got fucking pissed drunk, wasted. And Lemmy is just fucking laughing, man. He's going, "Lips, you're looking a little under the table." I go, "Lemmy, under the table? Dude, I'm licking the fucking floor." He goes, "I've got just the solution." And he pulls this little black leather pouch out of his jean jacket and a pocket knife. He sticks the pocket knife into the pouch, and out comes this white powder. He takes the knife, sticks it under my nose, and he goes, "Sniff it, you cunt." Come on, when you're with Lemmy, you gotta do it, right? It's like, holy fuck, I thought I was doing a line of coke. No, it's 100% speed, and I'm sitting there going, it's fucked up. And I just went into a fucking rage, just fucking talking to the guy, because I couldn't shut up, man. I started telling him, "Man, you know, you are like the fucking god of metal. You basically invented this shit. You're the biggest influence on everyone, man." And he just looks me straight in the eye and he goes, "I'll tell you what, Lips, in 6 fucking months, there'll be another bloke sitting across the table saying precisely the same thing to you." How fucking humble is that? He doesn't take a fucking, he turns around a fucking compliment and aims it right back at me. Holy shit. 6 months later, I find myself down in New Jersey, Old Bridge, New Jersey. Yeah. Home of the Metal Militia. Yeah, you know where I'm going. We're sitting at Metal Joe's place, sitting in the fucking kitchen, listening to fucking tunes and shit. The next thing you know, the Metallica guys are walking through the fucking doors. I had no idea who they were. How could I? I didn't even have an album out yet. And they start fucking freaking out. Lars is fucking, "Lips, man, you're a fucking god, man. You invented metal, man. You're a big influence on everybody." I go, look at Lars. In 6 months, man, they're gonna be saying the same shit to you. The moral of this story is, it's all about the music.
what I'm doing is making my own way.